Hello guys, so here is how to get started with Perle Labs Airdrop. This is a step-by-step guide on how to proceed to start participating in this crypto airdrop to earn rewards. So here is the first thing first. Copy the link from the description box of this video or the pin post in the comment section and paste it to your browser or your tab browser or your wallet browser or your PC, whichever you're using. Then connect your Solano address. For you to be able to connect your Solano address, you need to complete the CAPTCHA. On the registration page, you have to complete the CAPTCHA first. Then the connect wallet button will be active. So after you've connected your wallet, then the next page will open to connect to add your email address. Then add email and confirm email from the verification code you will receive in your mail. Then you have this page. After you're done that, you will have this particular page. So once you've done all of that, then come to this top right corner of this page here to connect your socials. Click on these preferences. Then scroll down to link accounts. You see I've linked my X. Now I'm going to link my Discord. You see the wallet has been linked from here. So you are connecting your Solano wallet. Hope I mentioned that earlier. So I'm just going to proceed to link my Discord as well. Then I'll now proceed with the social tags. And click on authorize. So I think I've done that. So yep. You can also add your passport photograph here or any passport photograph, any image of your choice. You can add it here as well. So yeah, I've linked my account. Then I can go back to doing other tasks. So here is the page I just registered. Now you see social, you see education, educational. You're seeing educational, you're seeing social. So let me click on the social and see what we have under the social tags. Connect your wallet. I'm just going to click on verify. Okay, follow the Perle Labs X account. Let me click on follow. Join Perle Labs Discord. Join the Perle Lab. You see all of this. I've not linked my Telegram. So that's for the social tags. Now we can move to the educational tags. We have some quiz. Okay, let me check the one they are asking us to read something like this. Let me confirm that if there is anything serious. So for the educational labs, we have quiz that you have to participate. I'll be joining, dropping the quiz answer on my Telegram channel. So make sure you are there. Check the pin post in the comment section or in the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel. I think they are yet to verify this. For this Discord, I'll click on join. So let me read this one and see what we have. Let's click on read. Let me see what the tags looks like. Okay, what is this? The documentation is your complete guide to contributing to Perle Labs, a Web3 powered AI platform on Solano that connects verified experts with enterprises and research teams to train and improve AI models. Professionals, researchers, and domain specialists can earn rewards and build on-chain reputations by completing high-quality data annotation and validation tasks that power the next generation of AI systems. Okay? Whether you are a doctor, researcher, engineer, educator, linguist, or another subject matter, experts, this guide will walk you through. I think I've read that, but they want me to read to the end. Let me just scroll. I think that should have been completed like that. Okay, completed, I've earned 100 points. So this one, let me check again. Okay, this one I'm just gonna join. So let me not waste too much time on this social tax. Let's go back and do. So you see accepted tax, total tax, and all. So for this educational tax, I think all of them requires quiz. Yeah, I don't have the quiz answers for this the legal classification. Let's see. Let me see. Tutorial video. Okay. Is there a way I can just take this one? Must I watch? Okay, let me watch and see what is next. Okay, they said identify. This is the task. After watching video, then the task will open. Quest reward 1000, eligibility points required. Okay, for me to be able to answer this point, I will have to have earned 1000 points. And points require 1000 points here every month. I'm not sure I've earned up to 1000 points, and I don't even have quiz answer for this one in particular, but I'll get the quiz answers and 1000 points required, so I can't do this one. Let me see other social tasks I can do to earn 1000 points before being able to answer the quiz. Okay, let me see. So I have the quiz answer for this one. This medical specialty, this one. I have the quiz answer. I'll be dropping it on my Telegram channel. So the quiz answer for this one, identify what item the customer bought. Upload audio of you speaking sentences commonly heard in meetings. Okay, this one is not quiz. You have to say something of you speaking commonly heard in meetings, sentences like good day, ladies and gentlemen, something like, you know, all those words that they speak in meeting. That's what you're going to do here on this upload audio. So for this one, join the Perle Labs legal classification quest. I'll get the quiz answer for this one and drop it on my Telegram channel too. So I think the other, okay, this one is just 500 points. Which other tax will I do to earn 1000 points? Let me click on marketplace. Okay, this one is showing welcome educational. Now this marketplace, is there any social yet? So this one is still the same thing. So what other thing did they have that we can level up? Because I have to have 1000 points for you to level up on this, to be able to answer this educational. Oh yes, I think I got for this for the quiz, I'll just go ahead and do this one that asked me to upload audio. Yeah, upload audio. So with this upload audio, I will get 1000 points. Then I can do the one that requires that is quiz. These ones are quiz. You just reply with the correct answers, and I'll be dropping the one for this doctor specialty quiz answers in the description box of this video. The once I get the quiz answer for this one and this one, so the customer bots and legal classification, I will drop them in the on my Telegram channel too. So you can check the registration link for this Perle Labs and my Telegram channel in the description box of this video and in the pin post in the comment section. So I'll complete this task, this upload audio of you speaking sentences, so that I can get 1000 points and being able to do this one. So once I complete this one does not require me having 1000 points. This is a genuine task, like it's not quiz. So once I complete this, then I can be able to do this one, and this one. So that's how this Perle Labs works. I don't think there is any checking daily. So once you do tax, come back to these badges and claim badge. So I've earned one badge here now, novice. So you see, I'll just click on claim. So I will approve the confirmation in my wallet. So after you are done doing all of those tasks, you claim badges to your connected wallet, and that's how it works. Okay, I think we are paying soul as gas. Consent. think they charge few cents of Solana coin as gas. I just click on close. So I've claimed this one. So I'll continue with all of those other tags to claim more badges. So you can see researcher, scholar, professor, mastermind, these are badges. So you can get like 50 cents worth of Solana coin to your wallet to claim badges as you earn them. So guys, this is how to participate in this Perle Labs airdrop rewards. And stay tuned for subsequent updates. Join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates as well. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.